Thanks for joining us. I'm Cooper.
And I'm Ben.
Today we're going to be doing a habanero pepper eating challenge. So we're going to do this in 2 stages, possibly 3, depending on how hardcore we are. So we're going to be eating the end of it, then the middle, then possibly even the top. Now, whoever eats the peppers and keeps them in their mouth without eating these, so we have milk, ice cream, and ice over there. So whoever can eat these the longest with staying back from those wins.
Okay.
Now, we win the habanero pepper eating thing, which is a fire extinguisher get blown in their face. Yeah. Great.
Not blown in my face.
Yeah, I'm kidding. Okay. So, I don't know if we're ready or not. Ben, you ready for this?
Yeah, ready?
No! Wait a minute.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Set.
If I die from this, Ben,
It's just the first part, okay?
If you need to spit them out. Put them in
Okay, I'm so bad with this kind of stuff. Ready, go. Okay. It's pretty spicy.
Oh, shit.
I don't like it.
Oh, Lord.
I know that looks like a little bit, but it really burns.
Oh, Lord, help
It really
us.
burns. Okay?
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Next part.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Under the table. I'm just shaking my legs. My eyes are watering.
Oh, Lord!
It's okay, it's not that bad.
Oh, it's terrible! Ah!
My ears are burning.
Ah! Ah!
Third stage,
Ah!
third stage.
No, we're not doing that part.
Okay,
No! Lord!
I took a bite. I can't even say
Ah! Ah! Ah!
My ears are burning.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Calm down. It's fine. It's fine. We gotta. Okay. Just take.
Yeah, I'm the winner!
Whoops.
You just lost, man.
I'm sorry. I spilled a little bit. What's that sound?
Ah!
Sad music.
It's burning my lips. Oh, that tastes good. Oh, it just comes right back. Ah!
What the heck? My ears are burning.
I'll try this.
Ah!
Make it stop. Make it stop.
Sorry about the tablecloth. It won't go away though.
I know.
I need more, like, milk. What? You did it. Here, get more, quick.
Ah!
Go. Oh God.
Okay. How did you fail? Who killed you? I actually.
Oh my God. Still. Oh wow. Almost 10 minutes. 10 minutes of fun.
That may be the worst thing I've ever done.
Sorry about. Does
What is
milk
that?
stain? Here, I'll put some water on it and rub it off. Oh God.
That's what I
How
wanted
about
to
we
do.
clean up later?
So bad. There's like a marker thing.
Thanks for liking, commenting, and sharing, and doing whatever you do. You guys are awesome. You don't feel awesome, though. Still burns like hell. I guess I'm the habanero pepper eating champion. Oh, no. So I guess I win this.
I'm Ben.
And I'm Cooper. Thanks for watching.
Have a
Stay
good day.
classy. But mostly stay classy.
Alright, so the tablecloth kind of got a little stain on it, so I'm working on that.
Ben, I'm gonna kill you.